Hi, this time I'm with a '07. This is a '07 Ford E250. It's got the 4.6 liter engine in it. I'll be doing the alternator in here. Uh, First thing I'm going to do is disconnect this negative cable and take off the air intake system. Up to here, take that off. Okay, here's the alternator here. I've got the ratchet on here, my half-inch drive on the tensioner, and it's pushed down this way. I guess that would be clockwise to remove the belt. Okay, I got the belt removed, and let me see, there are two bolts here and here, two down there that remove the alternator, as well as this one up top here, right here. I'll be able to get the alternator to move, and then disconnect the cable wires on top of it. So first I'm going to get these bolts removed. They look like 10mm sockets. Take those off with. Okay, I got I dismounted the alternator. Now the main cable takes a 10mm socket to remove. The nut there for the cable. There's the two wires there. They also have to be removed. For the voltage regulator. Okay, after getting those these two connectors for the voltage regulator off, I used a flathead screwdriver. I just take off the alternator. And match it up with the new one. Okay, finally got the right alternator. There are two different kinds because of this plug here in the back. But this is the right kind. So first thing I'm going to do is connect the electrical wires. Once I put it in position, connect these three connections here. Okay, I got the electrical connectors connected, the cable, and the two connectors for the voltage regulator. Now I'm going to get this in position. faceted in with the 3 bolts. These 2 long ones go at the bottom, and the short one goes at the top. Okay, I got it connected and mounted. So next is to slip on the alternator belt or the serpentine belt here. And the tensioner goes clockwise, or you push it down in order to loosen and tighten the belt. Okay, that's the alternator installed with the serpentine belt. So next is to install the air intake. This front part here that goes here, and connect the negative battery cable. Okay, and here is the working alternator installed on this 2007 Ford E250 4.5 engine. Thanks for watching.